Loeto la kemedi ya ANC kwa lelapeng la Bagakotane le ne la fetoga go nna se Ace Magashule a neng a sa se solofela. O ne a etetse lelapa leo go isa matshediso morago ga go tlhokafala ga mme Rebecca Kotane beke e fetileng.
Why should I call him to order? What has he done?
So he's done nothing wrong with defying.
I don't see anything wrong he has done.
Seno se tla jaaka go tsogile ntwa e nngwe gape gare ga presidente wa pele Jacob Zuma le motlatsa moatlhodi mogolo mo nageng eno. Zuma re ga ana tlhagelela kwa komisheneng ya ga Zondo mme lekoko la gagwe le dumalana nae.
It's wrong for comrades to try and become populists and talk about Zuma all the time. They are populists, those who are saying Zuma must resign or must be removed from the ANC. Zuma is part of the ANC.
Go bonala Zuma a bone ke monokeng go tswa go EFF.
We know that the Zondo Commission seems to be a fictional instrument to fight for the protection of Pravin Gordhan and Ramaphosa, whose main interest and purpose is to safeguard the white capitalist establishment. We therefore call for the Zondo Commission of Inquiry to exercise justice in a manner that will bring confidence to the people of South Africa.
DA ya re mathata a leng gone ke fa go nyatsa katlholo ya kgotlatshekelo ya molaotheo ga Zuma go ka se tseelwe dikgato.
The fact that he refuses to give evidence before the Zondo Commission simply means that a charge of contempt of court should be laid, and that has been done. It should be investigated, and that shouldn't take long. And then, if there's sufficient evidence to substantiate such a charge, he should be prosecuted for contempt of court.
Mo letlhakore le lengwe ATM e ikuela gore komishene eo e se tseye letlhakore.
It is for that reason that we expect anyone as a party to comply with the constitutional obligations. We therefore urge the former president to obey and respect and accept the Concord decision and appear before the Zondo Commission of State Capture.
Fela Cope ya re seno ke matlhabisa ditlhong.
The behavior of Jacob Zuma is disgraceful. Zuma must never be allowed to disrespect the constitution of this country.
Komishene ya ga Zondo e tsibogile mme a re tla bula kgetsi kgatlhanong le presidente wa maloba.
I'm entirely in your hands.